In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pan in AutoCAD drawings. By the end, you'll be able to move around your drawing smoothly without changing its scale or altering any geometry. Panning is simply repositioning your view, like sliding a sheet of paper under a fixed window, and it's one of the most frequently used navigation skills in AutoCAD. Let's begin with the classic method. Click anywhere in the drawing area so AutoCAD is active, then type the word pan and press enter. You'll see your cursor change into a small hand icon. That hand is your visual cue that pan is active. While this tool is on, your drawing isn't being edited, you're just shifting your viewpoint. Now press and hold the left mouse button and move your mouse. As you drag, the view follows your motion, letting you slide across the canvas to any area you need to see. Release the left mouse button to stop. You can repeat this as many times as needed. Nothing about the model's size or scale changes. You're simply looking at a different part of the same drawing. If you drift too far, just click, hold, and drag back the other way. This works in both model space and paper space layouts, and it's especially helpful when you're reviewing long corridors, large site plans, or dense assemblies. Here's a quick time saver so you don't have to type the pan command every time. Use your mouse's middle button, also known as the scroll wheel. Press and hold the middle button, and the cursor will again switch to the hand icon. While holding it down, move your mouse to drag the view. When you let go, pan turns off automatically and you're right back to whatever you were doing. This is a great habit because it keeps your workflow fluid. You can glance around the drawing, release the wheel, and continue working without breaking your stride. A couple of simple tips will help this feel natural. Keep your eyes on the area you want to bring into view, and pull the mouse in that direction. Think of it as grabbing the paper and sliding it under your pointer. If your mouse doesn't have a middle button, sticking with the typed pan command works perfectly well. And that's all there is to it. Type pan and press enter to activate the hand icon, click, and hold the left mouse button to drag your view. And use the middle mouse button as a convenient shortcut anytime you need to look around quickly. With a bit of practice, panning will become second nature and make navigating your drawings fast and effortless.